How can I merge two Xbox accounts together?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a very frequently asked question within the Xbox community. Can you merge two Xbox accounts together? This would certainly be handy for players who have games, achievements, or purchases spread across multiple accounts, but does Xbox currently offer this feature?
Can you merge two Xbox accounts?
As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Microsoft does not offer an option to merge two Xbox accounts together. This policy is in place due to various reasons, including preventing fraud, preserving account security, and maintaining game balance. If you've been searching for a way to merge accounts, you may be disappointed by this news, but there may be alternatives that can help.
What are your options?
While you can't merge accounts, you do have a few options to move content from one account to another. 1. Game licenses and purchases. Unfortunately, these are tied to your account and cannot be transferred to another one. 2. Friends list. This you can manually recreate on the new account. It might take some time, but you can send friend requests to all the same users. 3. Achievements. These cannot be transferred as well. You will have to earn these again on the new account.
Can you transfer gamertag?
Yes, you can transfer your gamertag from one account to another. Gamertag is the unique identifier tied to your Xbox account. Here's a simple step-by-step process on how to do that. 1. You need to change the gamertag of the account you want to keep, account A, to something else. This frees up the gamertag. 2. Then, you change the gamertag of the second account, account B, to the original gamertag of account A3. This effectively moves your preferred gamertag to the account you want to keep. Please note that Microsoft may charge a fee to change a gamertag. While it is frustrating that Microsoft does not currently allow Xbox account merging, there are still ways to manually transfer some aspects of your gaming profile. For everything else, you may have to restart from scratch. The transfer of a gamertag can be particularly useful for those attached to a specific name. Hopefully, this video has been informative for you. Remember, it's always important to carefully manage your digital assets and profiles to avoid the need for complicated procedures like this. Happy gaming, everyone!